Wood chips, extension cords, rough surfaces, and floor mats are no match for the Rockler All-Terrain Mobile Base. With an expandable frame ranging in size from 18 by 18 inches to 28 by 28 inches, this mobile base is sized just right for a variety of tools, such as planers, drill presses, and bandsaws. If you need something longer for your joiner or larger for something like a workbench, extension kits are available in sizes up to 50 inches. With 2 inline casters and 2 swivel casters, that's going to allow you to navigate any tricky shop layout. These 4 locking casters will keep your tool in place while you work. With these 5-inch casters and 1 inch of ground clearance, you're going to be able to go over a variety of obstacles. But just remember, just because you can go over it doesn't mean you shouldn't clean it up first. This durable powder-coated base can move tools and objects up to 1,000 pounds, so that means you really can move those big tools with ease. The Rockler All-Terrain Mobile Base is a durable, robust solution for tool mobility in your shop. Learn more at rockler.com or see it in stores. I'm Nick from Rockler. Thank you for watching.